Welcome to 3D Print Couture. 3D Print Couture is a cutting-edge technology that combines printing and stitching capabilities to produce custom garments, accessories, and home textiles with unprecedented speed and precision. This innovative machine allows designers and manufacturers to create bespoke products with intricate designs, vibrant colors, and varied textures, all while reducing waste and energy consumption. With 3D Print Couture, you can print and sew custom clothes, bags, shoes, and home textiles like bed sheets, pillowcases, and curtains, all in a matter of hours. This revolutionary technology streamlines the production process, enabling fashion businesses to quickly respond to changing trends and customer demands while minimizing environmental impact. Whether you're a fashion designer, manufacturer, or entrepreneur, 3D Print Couture offers a powerful tool to take your business to the next level and stay ahead in the competitive fashion industry.